Well, hello there. In between intense training sessions for the Mega Jam and work, I happened to notice something. I broke 100 subscribers. In every YouTube channel, there are certain milestones, and those milestones come along with play buttons. You've got copper, silver, gold, diamond, chocolate, potato, all the different play buttons. Today I happen to get something very special. I would like to present to you the one and only paper play button. Not really. In the box, we have one of the highest quality wooden play buttons I have ever seen. And this is my first time seeing it. And it's awesome. Oh my gosh. If you look on the back, it's engraved with a very special engraving. Robots and stuff, congratulations for surpassing 100 subscribers, because we didn't just hit 100, 101. By the end of this video, of this much of my face, we might be under 100. But as of right now, it's time to celebrate. I'll put my sunglasses on. It's just so bright in here. It's not because I'm about to tear up. I'm a real man. This right here is the coolest play button. And jokes aside, thanks for watching. Now you may be wondering, where would I get such an amazing custom-made play button? I want a play button. Maybe you have 100 subs, maybe you have less, more, who knows? Well, I'll tell you where to get one. This was made by my 12-year-old brother. That's right. Young, but skilled. If you want one, I'm pretty sure the going price right now is one of the new Xboxes. You set up an email, you just send a message, boom. Send an Xbox, we'll send you one of these. Free. Aside from however much the Xbox costs. All seriousness though, thanks for watching. See you in the next one, and yeah, thanks for subscribing. It's a small milestone, but it's pretty exciting. Bryson, I'm gonna cry. It's so beautiful. I've forgotten all of my jokes.